There are three key elements that we stand for as a company and we are recognized for by our customers. These are technology, quality, and sustainability.
In the area of technology, that is where we drive the advancements in power electronics to enable efficient energy management and also to develop innovative applications.
Quality. Our commitment to superior quality is reflected in our rigorous quality assurance processes.
As for sustainability, Toshiba actively promotes practices aiming at a carbon-neutral society. For the last 150 years, Toshiba brought an immense technological heritage to the market. And actually we had numerous world's first innovations that we brought out. And since the privatization of Toshiba, we are accelerating the development of new technologies, and that are supposed to lay the groundwork for a prosperous future. The background of the future technological development comes also from the synergies that we see between the systems part of our company, digital solutions, and also the realm of power semiconductors that hold an immense potential. In this sense, we are also bolstering the R&D in Europe. We are trying to form deeper connections with the market to be able to establish new products and solutions. What we actually want to do is seamlessly align with customers' needs, and that is related to the entire semiconductor portfolio that ranges from power semiconductors over to control components. What we want to do is tune the development specifically for power semiconductors, and that is both the areas for wide bandgap technologies such as silicon carbide and GaN, but also still for silicon-specific technologies. For those, we've built a new 300mm line in Kaga, and that is a real testament of the establishment of new technologies. And we are utilizing AI-based improvement of production efficiency, product quality, and we are aiming to further expand the production capacity there.
Let me share some examples of our latest products and technologies we recently introduced to the market. First of all, I would highlight a new silicon carbide 1200 volt MOSFET for traction inverter. It comes as a bare die and is highlighting great switching performance and efficiency, and the size is optimized to achieve competitive cost. Another product is an RC IGBT, a reverse conducting IGBT. That brings an optimum on switching performance in silicon technology. And we also recently launched various new generation of low voltage MOSFET. They all incorporate our latest chip technologies to achieve the lowest travels of RDS(on) in the market. We have here various package options, and these are great examples that we are focusing to boost performance and that we offer always the best products to meet the requirements of industrial and automotive market. Another product highlight is our Smart MCD, a highly integrated motor control IC with various digital and analog functions. It has a very low cost footprint, and you can save a lot of external components to make really the total motor control solution cost efficient. And last but not least, we have a variety of protection isolation devices like our photocouplers. Recent one is a gate driver with active Miller clamp. Other products are high voltage photorelays, especially for automotive BMS applications. And we also have introduced new generations of digital isolators.
We are striving to maintain a very low rate of defect levels in all the products that we provide. The policy itself is built around several key principles, and that is customer focus, as I just explained. It is about the compliance to meet all the laws and regulations that are necessary to comply to in the individual markets. It is about the continuous improvement, which is, I think, one of the key elements in the entire quality activities. It is about the risk management. And finally, it's also about transparency, that we provide a good visibility of what we do to our customers. There's the Toshiba Group's Environmental Future Vision 2050 that aims to realize a sustainable society. Underneath that, there are three key areas. The first one is the response to climate change. The second one is response to circular economy. And the third one is the consideration of ecosystems. In order to support all those activities, Toshiba is a member of the Carbon Disclosure Project, which is abbreviated as CDP. There we are performing proactive measures for environmental management. And we are aiming to stay on the A rank level on a permanent basis. Further details people can find in our environmental report, and that's where we share a lot of details related to policies, actions and targets that we are aiming for.